So only the two concepts we have discussed. One is append, just adding the node at the end of the list. At the end of the list. Second one is a display. Not visible, huh? Just wait. Right. The two concepts we have discussed in the last session. Right now, one by one. First of all, few nodes are there. Few nodes are present. I just want to find the length. The third option I am giving. All the options we will see today. Third one is a finding the length. Finding the length is nothing but how many nodes are present in the list. So exit become 4. So else if the choice is equals to 3, choice is equals to 3, then we need to call the method length method. Just it will return how many nodes are present. It is also static method. It is also static method. Method name is a length. Just how many nodes are present, it will return. That's why return type is a integer. Return type is integer. Is a one. So here, whatever the length it is returning, that we are collecting here, and we are printing how many nodes are present. The count is or the number of nodes, node count we are printing. This is the one. Okay. See now how can we find that one? How we are writing the code? First of all, we are starting with the count is equals to 0. For each node, we are increasing the count value. For each node, we are just increasing the count value. So we are taking one temp variable, temp, starting from the root. Nothing but here I am taking that temp variable. In that temp variable, first I'm giving the root value 4586. 4586. Just the root value we are adding to the temp variable. Now we are checking if temp is not null. Nothing but yes, if node is present. If node is present, if the temp value is not equals to null. Nothing but if it is there, node is there, yes, 4586. 4586 means what? It's a node. Yes, it is present. Simply we are increasing the count value. After increasing the count value, so what we are doing here? After increasing the count value, what we need to do? We just make move to the next location. So into the temp to link value we are storing. Temp to link value. What is the temp to link? 4586 to link is what? 8785. 8785. Yes, 8785 is not equals to null. So count value again increase. It will become 2. Temp equals to temp to link. So temp to link is a 6359. 6359. Yes, 6359 is not equals to null. So count value become 3. Temp equal to temp to link. 6359 link value equals to null. So it is failed. it will be terminated. So finally, it will return the count value. That's all. So length method always count how many nodes are present. Sir, is it if block? No, it's a while loop, just like a display. Just like a display, it's a while loop. How many times it will repeat? As long as the list contains the nodes, it will repeat. Okay. So here, now we are executing this. We are executing this. Just running the code. How many nodes are present? I just want to check. 1, 10 inserted. 1, 20 inserted. 1, 30 inserted. Just calling 3. Node count is a 3. For this, we have written the code now. Enter your choice. I just want to exit 4. That is. Next option is I just want to add node at the beginning. Add the node at the beginning. So this is the list which is already present and root containing the value. Of course, it is already pointing to this one. Okay. Is already pointing to this one. Now here we need to add one node. Add one node. So how can we add? It's very simple one. It's very simple one. First of all, we need to create the node. We need to create the node. Is add first concept. Add first. So once node is ready, initially at some address, for example, 3658. Initially, we know that we are storing into one temp variable. And whatever the element you want to add, that you are adding, suppose consider 40. Node is ready. Now 2 connections you need to give. Just 2 connections you need to give. What are the 2 connections? This is the first connection. Please don't give left side connection first. Please don't give left side connection. Imagine if you give this left side connection first, directly if you store 3658 here, directly we lost this one. Whenever we lost this one, right, all the nodes will move away, will gone, because we removed this address from this root variable. That's why first this connection is important. Right side connection you need to give first. Right side connection first. Hope you are understanding. Right side connection. Right side connection means, look at this. 4586 you need to store into this location. 4586 means what? Root variable. Root variable you have to store into this location 4586. Sir, imagine if nodes are not there. No problem. Root contains null. Null will be assigned here. This is the first connection important. 4586 means what? Root value will store into temp2 link. That is the first connection. Now is the second connection. Very easy. 3658. 3658 you need to store here. 3658 you need to store here. So what is that? Into the root, the new node value is a temp value we need to store. Just 2 lines of code. Once again, try to understand. First of all, not left side connection. If you do this left side connection, directly if you store this, we lost this one. That's why in linking, first of all, always right side connection. This 4586 you need to store here. Sir, where is the 4586 location? It is already in root variable. Root variable value store into temp to link. That is the first one. Next, left side connection, just 3658, which is present in temp, you need to place in a root. So in root, temp we are placing, that's all. So now we are adding that one. Now we are adding that one. Is a fourth option. Fourth option is a add first. Add first. That is a fifth. So here add first means what? Reading is required now. So we are writing like this. Else if it is 4. So exit value become 5. Enter element to add at begin or add first. And we are calling that method add at begin or add first simply. I'm writing the code for add first. Static void add first. It is taking the element what you want to add. Okay. First step is what? Creating the node. Temp is equals to new node of. First step is empty node creation. Second step is storing that empty node address into temp. Third step is what? Data you need to add into the data location. Data means element that you are adding to that data. Temp data equal to element. Next, connections. First, right side connection. Root value will store into temp to link. Into temp to link, store the root value. Next, second step is what? Temp value will store into root. Into root, new node value will store. Just a small message added to list at beginning. That is. Now executing the code. Just compile it and run it. Okay, one is a append. We keep on appending first. 20, 30. Display 10, 20, 30. Now add first. 40. Added to list. Now I'm checking display. Look at this. First 40 appended. First 40 added. Appending means what? At the end. At the end, that is. Just look at this. Just 1 minute. I'll explain add after. Okay, now add after. Add after. Suppose already few nodes are there, is connected like this. Okay, is connected like this. Nodes, few nodes are there. Just consider the root contains the value. By holding the value is of 4586. 4586. It is pointing. And just one more node is also we are creating, just to make you more clear, is a new node. Address, suppose is a 40 and it is null, and this address will store here in place of this null. In place of this null, that address will store and is connecting to this one, is okay. Now add after. After a specified node. 1 means here, 2 means here, in between, 3 means here, 4 means here. Like this we need to add. So we are writing that one more option is add after. System.out.println. Fifth one is add after. This one. And this will become the sixth node. This will become the sixth node, and the same story. I mean, that will be the sixth option, sorry. Fifth one, and is a sixth option. Enter element to add at after or add after. So two things you need to specify. One is a enter location. Enter location. After that, enter element. Enter element to add after. So two things you need to pass. Add after. First one, what is the location? At which location you want to add, and what you want to add, and what you want to add. That is. Got it? Now, look at this. Look at this. Simply, how we are doing. Simply, how we are doing. Here, we are writing the code. Static void add after. One is a location. Second one is a element. Second one is a element. First, we need to check that location is present or not. Because suppose 4 nodes are there. Consider 4 nodes are there. Sir, suppose if they enter -3, not possible. Sir, if they enter 9, ninth node is not there. That is also not possible. No? So here we are checking, first of all, the location is present or not. For that, how many nodes are there? By calling the length method, we need to collect first. Length method. Because length already written code today only. It will return the count value. That is length consider. Suppose if the length is, the location is greater than 0, like minimum 1, and the location is less than or equal to length. Greater than or equal to 1, simply to say minimum 1 they have to give, and up to length 1 they can give, 2 they can give, 3 they can give, 4 also they can give, 5 they cannot give, and 0 they cannot give, -1 they cannot give, is okay. Else directly we can say that what you have entered is invalid location. Invalid location given. More clear information if you want to give. Currently, list has only length nodes. How many number of nodes? Clear message. In list, we have only 4 nodes. Like this, we are giving the proper message. No, sir, if it is valid, then we need to travel to this location. So, location already given. Suppose consider 3. Now I am taking one variable I is equal to 1. We are moving that temp variable or target variable, suppose. Target starting from root 4586. Location consider 3. Location consider 3. I equals to 1. Here we are giving that. Here we are giving that. First of all, that location, one variable we are taking. I equals to 1. While loop, I less than location, and one extra variable we are taking, node target, starting from the root. Simply, I'll explain. Target equal to target dot link as well as I plus plus. First of all, what is that I value? I value is a 1. 1 is less than 3, condition is true. Condition is true. Then root value will store into target. Target equal to target to link. 4586 link is a 8785. 8785. That is. Next, I plus plus. I value become 2. I value become 2. Next, again, loop will repeat. 2 is less than 3, condition is true. See, location 3, fix it. Imagine they have given third location. Target equal to target to link. Target to link is a 6359. So I value become 3. Now 3 is less than 3, condition false. Because look at this. We already reached that location. Target contains 6359. Target contains 6359. We are at that location. We are at that location. Now create the node first. Node temp is equal to new node. Add that data. Temp to data equal to element. This is the node. This is the node that you have to create here. That you have to create here. And the details are, suppose 9658. Value is a 50. That initially you are storing into temp. As usual, same story. Look at these 2 connections you have to do. First is a right side connection. First is a right side connection. This connection first. Next one is a left side connection. Next one is left side connection. Look at the right side connection here. 8567. Sir, where is 8567? 8567 is in this location. Sir, what is this? Target to link. Target to link is 8567. Target to link is 8567. Will store here. Nothing but this is temp to link. So into temp to link, target to link value should come. That is 8567. Into temp to link. Into temp to link. Target to link should come. Right side connection done. Right side connection done. Now this 9658 you have to store here. In this location You have to store this 9658. That is left side connection. So automatically we lost this connection. We lost this connection. 9658 is nothing but temp. Is a new one. Is a new one. Na? Is a new one. Temp value will be stored into this location. This is what target. Target to link. Target to link. That's all. Enough. Just giving the message is node added. Look at this. Let me execute the code. First, I keep on adding 110, 120, 130. Displaying 10, 20, 30. Add first. 4, 40 added. Display. 40, 10, 20, 30. Again add first. 4, 50 I want to add. Display. See 50, 40, 10, 20, 30. No, after 10, after third one, I want to insert 60. So enter your choice is 5. Enter location is a third location. Enter element to add 60. Node added. Display. Look at this. 50, 40, 10. See after the 10, 60 added. 20, 30. The sixth one. Okay. This is the code you need to complete. Just 2 minutes. I'll upload the video. Quickly complete. Deletion I'll complete in the next class. Deletion and swapping. Then easily we can understand the double linked list. Quickly we can convert into double linked list. Okay, do it. Bye.